Welcome back to another Cleaning with Casey. I hope you guys have all been helping your parents out around the house and showing just how much you can do. Today, we're going to talk about taking out the trash. So, in my house, we have a trash can in the kitchen and we have a trash can in each bathroom. So, the kitchen trash can is used for food and big items. The trash cans in the bathroom never get food in it, so there's no chance of bugs going into your bathroom. Now, the bathroom trash can is mostly used for paper towels and toilet paper and paper rolls, but the kitchen trash can is used for everything. So first, we're gonna start by taking out the small bathroom trash can, which anyone can do, and I'll meet you there. We're gonna start by unhooking the bags from the side, lifting the bag up just a little bit so we can get the handles nice and easily. We're gonna stretch them out and make sure they're nice and straight so they're easy to tie with. Now, cross them over each other. We're gonna do that one more time so you can see. Cross them over. We're gonna feed one end through the center and pull it tight. Now we need to do that one more time. Cross it over, pull it through the middle, and pull it tight. Now find both holes in your handles, pull them up to the center, and now it's time to take it out. So now that we have the small trash can all bagged up and ready to go, now it's time to go to mom and dad and ask if we can go outside to throw it away. Always make sure to go and ask mom and dad before going outside. Maybe even have mom and dad come with you so they can help you with the big trash can outside. So now that the small trash bag is thrown away and the garbage cans outside, it's time to take out the big trash bag. So the big trash bag is going to be in the kitchen. Now with this trash can, it could be dangerous because it could be heavy, it could be bigger, or you might need mom and dad's help to tie it or to get it out of the can. So go ask mom and dad for help, and always ask mom and dad for help before taking out any trash. So I'll meet you in the kitchen to be able to take out the big trash can. See you there. We're gonna start again by unhooking the bag from the sides, making sure the bag doesn't fall in. So now we grab the handles on either side. We're gonna pull them up so that the bag is easy to tie. Just like that. Now that we have both handles, we're gonna cross one over the other and pull it through the middle. So we're gonna have to do that one more time. Cross one over the other handle, pull it through the middle, and pull it tight so that the bag doesn't open. Now that all of the trash has been taken out of the house and we put trash bags back in every trash can, that's very important to do. Always remember to put a bag back in the trash can. It's time to say goodbye, and I'll see you next week again. Have a very good one, guys. Bye.